I'd like to tell you about activewear. It's a laundry detergent and it's made by the brand Active. Thanks to Active for sending me this product to try so that I can make the video and tell you all about it. This company has created what is called Compact by Design to identify products they have redesigned by removing excess air and water so that the products require less packaging and become more efficient to ship. At scale, these small differences in design and weight lead to significant carbon emission reductions. This is a very innovative company to do that. So I'm proud to promote their products. This detergent does not go in the normal dispenser in your washer. You put your clothes in the washer and then you sprinkle this detergent on top of the clothes using this little scoop. You put 1 to 2 scoops. It's just a plain white powder. Looks like that. I have already put 2 scoops in my washer. I put 2 scoops because I had some really sweaty, dirty clothes and I wanted to be sure they got clean and also got the smells out. This detergent removes the smell and gets your clothes really clean. It scientifically removes the sweat and body odors and it doesn't have any harsh chemicals. It protects the clothing from breaking down. And it's made in the USA, which is wonderful. I've been using it about 2 weeks. I really like it. It works very well. It does what it says it's supposed to do. It gets the clothes really clean and it removes all odors. And it does not have the harsh chemicals to do that. It just does it with whatever's in it. But it's not harsh chemicals. They've scientifically engineered it. We have all these new fabrics that are made for athleisure and working out, running, so forth. And they hold the sweat odor. So we needed a new kind of detergent to get those clean and get the smells out. And this product does that. So if you'd like to try it out, just click on the link below. I highly recommend it.